Hi guys and welcome to my channel. I've kind of done what I just so it doesn't take as long, but we'll see how long this is gonna actually take. Try and make it colourful again. Right, so I'm gonna be using the Morphe palette again. 35B I think. Yes, I got it right. And we're gonna start off with a fluffy brush. No concealer yet, and we'll go in. I've done my eyebrows as well, by the way. So this, oh god, I haven't told you before. It's this pink, this really, really bright, hot pink colour. My children actually picked these colours. What I'm doing today. So I haven't gone crazy. They wanted to see these colours mixed together. So I told them to pick 3 colours and they picked pink, blue and purple. So let's see what we can do. The light's a bit weird today in here. Ooh, making my eyes go weird. For some reason, the colour just doesn't want to go up there. I don't know why. Go up there. Might have to do it like that. Just didn't want to go up there then. It's like, no, I don't want to stick up there. I don't want to go up there. Leave me be. It's still being an asshole. I don't know what's going on. Just touching the top a little bit. I always get distracted by looking out window. I'm nosy. Right, so then we'll get some concealer. I'm using the Revolution one in the shade C3, but you don't have to. Any concealer will do. Not feeling my best today either. Again, sick of feeling poorly all the time. That's why I don't really do as many videos. It's like, just feel rubbish. And then we're gonna go in with this beautiful, pretty blue. Don't worry too much if it goes underneath, because I'm going to just wipe that off. Got another colour planned for there. I know some people will be thinking, wow, I wouldn't dare use those colours, but I like to be different. Well, obviously I like to be different. You can see I like to be different. But yeah. Then we're going to go back in with that hot pink and just blend. Kind of goes like a purpley colour when you blend that in, but they did pick them 3 colours and it's like too much. So I'm going to just get rid of that. Don't want that there, because we've got another colour planned for there. So wipe that away. Not too much fallout either in this palette. They're quite good. So if you want to see full makeup, I suppose you could, and they're not too much mess, but I prefer to do it afterwards. So to save time on the video, and so you're not watching me for a very long time because boring you, I'm going to stick my eyelashes on, I'll do my full makeup, and I'll be back to finish it off. So I'll see you in a few. All that is done. Now I will just put a bit of purple underneath and finish this look off. Took a long time to do that. So I think I'm going to go in with a darkish purple. And I'm going to go in with this one here. Not too dark, just like a medium one. So I'm just going to brush that underneath. Hopefully I won't get any on the rest of my makeup. That would be shit. That would be really crap actually. I have not put anything underneath, damn it. This is a really nice purple. And it is really popping. I didn't do a video on all my makeup because it took a long time, and I wanted to do it a bit short just because, like I said, I'm not feeling so good still. So it's like do it, you know, not fully on camera. So I'm not going to do the lips because I have got a video planned for those. I've got something I want to try. So anyway, yeah, done. The eyes are done. I like it. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. And I will see you next time.